How to fix Wi-Fi connected to a device but can't provide internet connection. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video on this channel, and in this video we're going to talk about how we can fix your Wi-Fi connected to your device but it's not providing internet connection issue. So without any further delay, let's get started. But before starting that, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share and subscribe option. So let's begin. So the very first thing first, I want you to just scroll down your phone or just go to your settings and turn on the flight mode for about 10 seconds. After turning it on, I want you to turn it off after 10 seconds and see if this fixes your issue or not. If that doesn't fix your issue, just go to your Wi-Fi settings. After that, just tap on the settings of the connected network. Here you will be able to see the view mode option. It may vary to phone the settings, but you will be able to see the IP settings on every device. Just tap on that option, and here are two options of DHCP and static. Just tap on the static option, and there when you scroll down a bit you will be able to see the DNS1 and DNS2 option. I want you to make the DNS1 8.8.8 while the DNS2 8.8.4.4 and save the settings. After that, after saving the settings, I want you to restart your phone and see if that fixes the issue or not. Even if that doesn't fix your issue, just make sure to turn off your router once and turn it on after about 10 to 20 seconds. And even if that doesn't fix the issue, then just call your internet provider, because that may be the issue from your official internet providers. Just call them and ask why you are having the issue on your internet and see if that fixes the issue. So therefore, I hope this methods work for you, and thank you for watching this video, and I hope this video was helpful to you.